Today's video is about how to turn off the Silence Unknown Caller function for your Apple iPhone. Today I scheduled a Teledoc appointment. When the doctor tried to call me with her blocked phone number, I was unable to answer that call. So I'm going to briefly show you how to go into settings and turn that function off so that you can answer those phone calls if needed. First tap on settings, then scroll down until you see the phone icon. It's in green. Okay, there it is. Now tap on phone. Scroll down and find Silence Unknown Caller, then tap on it. To turn this function off, simply tap on the green switch. And it was that easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching the How to Do Anything channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.